Alright, we're gonna start it right now. Alright, 3, 2, 1, you ready, Max? What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I know it has been a while since I uploaded the video, but there's a very, very good reason why I haven't uploaded the video, and it's because of Max. He's here. Say hello, Max. Max, say hello. Max, say hello, Max.
Snapchat and women. Leave me alone. Let me do me.
When he's saying he's Snapchatting women, he means guys. So Max is here for a very, very special reason today, guys. And that reason is there's dirt on my lens.
I fully assembled this C7 Corvette and I'm about to start it. He's taking all the credit for it.
He did not assemble the C7 Corvette, guys. He did not. I assembled the C7 Corvette.
Yeah, you keep telling yourself that.
But I've been extremely busy trying to get this thing together, and it is finally together. It is primed. It is ready to go. It is ready to go.
No, I put it together though.
You did not put it. Shut up, man.
Find that cover.
But what's that? You see that cover? That cover is titties. Custom DFR cover on this C7 Corvette for this customer.
That was made like 2 years ago.
It was made 2 years ago for another Corvette. We won't mention any names, but it's on this one now, and that's all that really matters. We got a good old Pro Charger F1A 94 sitting here. Let's we'll turn the camera around.
Wow,
you guys can see that.
You know how to read labels.
I fucking hate your guts. But like I said, this car has been fully primed, so we have oil pressure. I put the fuse back in for the fuel pump, and all the spark plug wires are definitely hooked up here. Definitely want to thank Golen Engines for the short block, K-Tech for the heads and the valve covers. Those guys do an amazing job. Also, Pro Charger, got to give a shout out to Pro Charger. Them guys know what they're doing. The black Pro Charger setup definitely looks freaking amazing on this. What are you doing? Wow. Anyways, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to hop in this sucker and we're going to start this thing up for the first freaking time.
You're going to get demonetized because of me.
No, I'm not. Why? Because of your pimples?
You're a dick.
There's actually somebody on their way here to deliver a 700 R4 transmission.
Yeah, I see.
Is there a truck here?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess. All right, we'll be right back, guys. All right, we are back, and as a side note, a fan dropped off a 700R4, and that 700R4, my lens is dirty again, that 700R4 is actually going to send it Steve for his GTA build. I know you guys are all excited. He needs the 700R4. That fan came... That fan came by, wanted to give me that 700R4. I'm gonna kill Max, guys. I'm gonna straight kill Max. All right, Max, get out so I can start this thing. I'm sure everybody on YouTube is waiting to hear this car start up. I hate you, Max.
The car alarm.
He's so freaking annoying, isn't he, guys? Isn't he? All right. Nah, I better start it. Just to be on the safe side. Oh, I got to get the jump box hooked back up again, actually. Got the jump box hooked up. 12.5. All right, Max. Let's see what happens, guys. This is literally the first startup of this car. So I haven't started up before. I just primed it, and that's it. So we're going to see if it starts up. What do you think, Max?
I'm trying to get help.
You think it's going to start up?
No.
Wow, Max. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate your fucking confidence.
Wait for my awesomeness to rub water.
My awesome, his awesome. He's definitely not awesome by any means.
You're going to start it and a rod will go through my head.
What's that?
You're going to start it and a rod's going to go through my head.
Well, you're in the right position then. Thanks for being there, buddy.
Here, I don't want it. Alright, go.
Alright. What are you doing? Snapchat?
Yeah, in 3, 2, 1.
Well, listen, if something happens, don't post it.
Oh, I'll make sure to post it.
I will fucking kill you.
I'm not recording. Tell me when you're about to start it.
Alright. We're going to start it right now. Alright. 3, 2, 1. You ready, Max? Woo! Yeah! We got oil pressure. Woo, we got oil pressure. We are good to go, boys. We are good to go. We are good to go. We are good to go. Look at that thing. Holy smokes. Woo. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Damn. What do you think, Max? What do you think, buddy? She is running. She is freaking running. Holy smokes. We got good oil pressure and everything, buddy. You good to go. You good to go. Damn. Fuel pressure's doing good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so we can't let her run very long because we don't have any antifreeze in her. So we're gonna go ahead and shut her off.
Buddy, now my Snapchat story.
That's fine. What do you think, buddy?
Wow.
All the hard work you did not do.
I'm offended.
Wow, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm freaking happy.
You're so gay, it's unreal.
No, because like, you know how many cars I gotta work on, man? I got so many freaking cars here that gotta get done, and this needs to get the fuck out of here. So I'm happy. I'm freaking happy. Let's turn the battery box off. God, look, we got Game Max here. Oh, you dick. I hate you, man. Why did you come by here again?
Because you called me.
But there you go, guys. This freaking thing is running.
No, it's not. It's actually sitting here.
Okay, shut up.
You know, it doesn't
It's
have to-
drivable. I can literally drive this car around now. And that makes me happy.
Let's go for a drive.
No,
Yeah.
I need to get antifreeze for it. Actually, I don't need antifreeze for it. I need. There's two little clips down here that I need. What?
You're teasing him. We should have drove it.
With no hood? That's illegal. As you guys can see, I was cleaning up the shop a little bit on this side. I'm trying to get all this like organized because I have about 3 cars that need to come in here.
Really? Wow.
They were in here, but I had to take them back out to get this on the lift. And then now I got to get them back in again, which freaking sucks. But I kind of misplanned my life here at the shop, guys, to be honest. So I had 2 cars in here, 2 Camaros. And what ended up happening was I figured I'd get this done instead. And now I got to bring the Camaros back in. But I have 2 very nice Camaros that are going to be getting done. Big engine builds, which are going to be freaking awesome. But like I said, you'll be seeing videos on those later. And that Trailblazer SS. I'm going to explain to you what happened to the Trailblazer SS. So I was getting ready to do the cam swap in it. Okay. And freaking. The cam tensioner. The cam gear tensioner, or the tensioner, the chain tensioner, with a piece of plastic on the side there. I don't know if you guys know about LS2, LS3 cam tensioners. It broke off and fell in the oil pan. So now I have to drop the oil pan on the freaking Trailblazer. And it is an all-wheel drive Trailblazer, which sucks even worse. But I have to drop the pan on that thing and fish it all out. So I talked to that customer. I was like, listen, let me get this vet done real quick, which now we are at that stage being done real quick. And then I'll get your Trailblazer back in and get these other Camaros back in, so on and so forth. And get them done too. But yeah, we're here, guys. We are here. Basically, just got to put the hood on, put antifreeze in it.
No, I'm actually in China right now. We're not here.
Anyways, put antifreeze in it, get it heated up to temperature, run it a little bit, take it for a drive. And that's it, guys. This thing is done, man. It's freaking done. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put it on Keith's Pit Stops dyno, and we're going to dyno tune this thing, and we are going to make some freaking horsepower. What do you think, Max?
Eat your girl ass.
Well, it rhymes with Max, so that makes sense.
Okay,
That's going in, buddy.
No.
That's fucking
I
going
said
in,
eat your
man.
girl's ass.
Max.
Max will eat your girl's ass.
Yeah, see, it rhymes. It's like a melody, like a child's melody.
Sliding in DMs like
Do you know what a DM is?
direct message, you cunt.
Wow, guys. Well, there you go, guys. It is running the C7 Corvette
I'm actually
Street
part of
Speed.
the CIA.
Definitely not. We know that's not fucking truth at all. Streetspeed717's old Corvette, which now belongs to another customer up in Massachusetts, is now running and functional and has started up and has not had any problems. We got great oil pressure, and that's it, guys. Freaking, I'm stoked, dude. I'm thinking, what do you think it's gonna make, Max? What do you think this thing's gonna put down on Keith's Pit Stops Diner?
Keith's Pit Stops Diner.
Come on, man. What do you think?
Like realistic numbers.
Realistic fucking numbers, dude.
Honestly, like 420.
You fucking druggy, you. Go figure. He would say 420.
Dude, honestly, I didn't even think about that. You clearly did, though.
I'm a little bit older
Probably,
and wiser.
1100.
You think 1100? Max says 1100. Automatic, new cam, more boost.
If you give her the beans.
And we're going to give her the beans.
1100.
Full E85, methanol injection, K-Tech ported CNC heads. We're going to give her the beans, boys. So look out for the video.
Math.
1100? I think 1100 through an automatic would be pretty good.
I just like to say math because it's written right there that I do.
Wow. Alright guys, well I'm going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, DiabloFormula Racing. Facebook is also DiabloFormula Racing. Please don't forget to check out Max Check Vids.
Hell
Description
yeah.
down below. You can go check him out. He's got a YouTube. I don't know if he's not making it. He's not.
I dropped off my car.
Oh yeah, he did make a video about him dropping off his car for a wrap, right?
Yeah, because.
But we can't tell anybody. It's going to be a bunch of penises and stuff.
I think people just saw my gun.
Well, yeah, you're of age. That's okay. You're allowed to carry.
Like
He's a responsible. Fuck, give me the gun.
Absolutely not.
Deuces, guys.